with almost every meal used to make sushi made into sweets fermented into alcohol and offered to the spirits at the religious ceremonies. Rice is everywhere in the diet of Japan. There are at least 6 ways in the Japanese to describe the grain, from the unhusked to ready to eat. It's also popular that the McDonald's there added a burger bun made of rice to its menu. But being so reliant on the staple leaves the country, the world's 4th biggest economy, vulnerable to the slightest supply of the glitch. Also in the recent years, a combination of bad weather, heat waves and the threat of the typhoon and the earthquakes have also sparked bouts of panic buying in the nation of 124 million people. The average price of the 60-kilogram bag rose to around $160 last year, up 55% compared to the 2 years ago, according to the government figures. The situation has become so dire that the government announced in February that it would release 201,000 tons of the rice, more than the fifth of what it holds in the contingency reserve, for auction. The first bag of the reserve rice have now gone on sale in the supermarkets. The government built its rice reserve in 1995, 2 years after an unexpected cool summer crippled rice harvest, forcing it to import overseas grains. It dipped into the store following the 2011 earthquake and tsunami, in which 20,000 people died or went missing, and again followed by the deadly Kumamoto earthquake in 2016. Other countries across Asia where rice is a staple, such as India, Vietnam and Thailand, also hold rice stockpiles to shield their population against shortages and price rises, which can spill into politics, like a recent surge in the egg prices in the United States. China has a strategic reserve of the country's favorite meal, that is pork, to deal with emergencies and stabilize prices when necessary. In Japan, the first batch of 150,000 tons of rice went under the hammer last month, according to the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fishes. Prices now are exceptionally high, Agriculture, Forestry and Fishery Minister Tako Eto said at the end of the auction. But I urge everyone not to worry, he added, also saying that he expected the injection of rice into the market would that mean the prices eventually would go down. ETO also said that it attributed the recent price hikes to the supply chain issue, saying that there was sufficient rice in the system, only that it has failed to reach the shelves in the supermarket, without specifying why. On Wednesday, Trial Holding, which runs a chain of discounted supermarkets in the southern island of the Kyushu, confirmed to CNN that first batch of the auctioned rice has hit the shelves at some of their stores. But in the country that is particular about its rice, with various prefectures competing against one another for the title of the best rice in the country, some said that it would rather sit this batch out, skeptical of the grain's quality. I do not intend to buy it because I have heard that it is old rice. I'm still very particular about rice, housewife said and told the CNN. Uchibori said that he had stocked up the supply on the early March, and after reading about the prices that are going up, and hoped that he would be there and the prices